Hello, Anitra again with a Smart Minute on grains. Do you store barley in your food storage? I love barley and it's really an underrated grain with lots of potential. Let me tell you a little bit about all that it can do for you. There are two types of barley, hulled barley and pearled barley. I prefer the pearled kind. This is the white kind, and you can grind it, you can cook with it, you can make soups, and it's a wonderful substitution for rice. Did you know that barley has a lot of healing power with antitoxins that helps to cure the common cold? Barley is easily digested and fills you up fast, so it's great for appetite control. Barley also boasts a really high fiber content, which is important for everyone's health. It's great for your digestion, great for energy, and overall well-being. So try barley in your everyday meal planning. Be sure to check out our videos on our website to see how to incorporate them in breads, in soups, and many other recipes. Find out what you've been missing from barley. With Simply Living Smart, this is Anitra with another Smart Minute on grains.